Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact with this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just go to contacts, find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Give the permissions it needs and tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact. Just tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. In device photos we can either open our gallery and choose the photo, or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. We can choose something from Google Photos. We've got backed up photos there. We can also use monogram, which means that we can choose, we can use the first letter of the name of this person. We can change the font, whether it is bolded or not, or cursive. We can also change the background color. We've got a lot of options to choose from, or we can choose something from the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo of someone and you're not really the biggest fan of monograms, then you can still find something interesting here. So let me choose maybe something from those options. Why not? Let's choose this one. So just mark the option. Here you've got the presets, and basically if you will pick something from the gallery or open the camera or choose something from the illustrations, you can zoom in or out the photo. You can also change the position of it. You can change the size of this highlighted circle also, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.